Welcome to this lightingsupply.com product detail video. Today, we will be looking at the BJB Fluorescent Mini Bipin 15.8 to 18.7mm T5 push-in or snap-in socket. Housed in phenolic plastic, these unshunted rotary sockets have a mini bipin G5 base and are intended for use with fluorescent T5 mini bipin G5 tubes and can serve as a replacement for old sockets or help you finish a new lighting project. These CUL listed sockets have a 5/8 inch mounting height for push-in or snap-in mounting and feature a groove for screw mounting and have a maximum wattage of 120 watts and a maximum voltage of 600 volts. You can order this product from BJB and hundreds of thousands of other lighting products at lightingsupply.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for new videos posted every week.